So credit scores are a three-digit scoring system that the creditors and the banks and lenders often look at to determine the credit worthiness of their applicant. And they basically use this information from the credit score to determine whether or not to extend the applicant a line of credit, a credit card, a loan, and so forth. And also it helps them determine how much they're going to charge the applicant for taking that credit, which is otherwise known as the interest rate. So basically the credit scores ranges from a low of 300 to a high of 850. And in the US, there are two main companies that provide the credit scores. The first one is FICO, which is known as the Fair Isaac Corporation, and the other one is a VantageScore. So 90% of the lenders typically use the FICO score model to determine whether or not they're going to extend their applicants for a credit line or for a loan. So that's the VantageScore is typically used for free credit reporting services like Credit Karma, and also Credit Sesame is another one that uses VantageScores. And some lenders are now starting to use the VantageScore tool to decide whether or not to extend the applicant with a credit line. But right now, 90% of the lenders typically use the FICO scoring system. So I'll discuss that in a separate video, but just wanted to give you an overview of what credit scores are. And it's basically the three-digit scoring system that's used to determine a credit worthiness of an applicant when they are submitting an application for a line of credit or credit card or loan with a particular bank. So anyway, I'll check out another video on the breakdown of the scoring system.